what do you do if you go out on a camping trip and this bungee in here, this shock cord, is really loose in your tent poles and you just can't get them together as a result? This is really a pain. So what you'll do is take it apart from the joint here, loosen up that knot. In this case, you can pull out the one side of it. The knot is in the bungee part that's attached to the rest of the pole. I'm going to loosen that and get some tension going back in the pole. I'm going to move the knot down toward the pole. And when I say the pole, I mean that part of the pole. And then I'm going to pull on this to make it more snug. I'm going to do it even more here. It works better if you have a clamp for this, but we're in the field, so we got what we got. I'm just going to hold it with my hand to keep that tension in there. Let's pull that. And then we'll pull on here to bring it there. And then I'm going to push this back on through that knot, just that simple square knot there. Oop. All right, make that nice and even, and then pull that knot tight. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut off this excess. And I'll singe it so that it doesn't fray any more than it's going to right now. Right there. Pop that in there. And now it's fixed enough, at least until you can get home and get it all put together with some new shock cord.